and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today it is time for April's BoxyCharm. Will this be a redemption box? We're about to find out. If you caught my Boxy Lux unboxing last month, it was probably the worst box I've ever received. It was really bad. I was in a bad mood also, but it really truly was just a bad box, and I think I'm not the only one who thinks that, because I got a lot of responses of people in agreement that my box was not that great and that other people's boxes were not that great. I did cancel Boxy Lux. Boxy Lux, if you're not familiar, is kind of the more amped up version of the regular BoxyCharm. So the regular BoxyCharm costs $25 a month, and then Boxy Lux comes, I think, every 3 months, and you pay an additional $25 on top of the base box, $25, and you get more products. I've only gotten Boxy Lux twice, and both times were just bad. They were just bad boxes all around, so I did not think it was worth it to continue with Boxy Lux, so I did cancel that. But I am going to continue at least for a little bit longer regular BoxyCharm and see what I think of it. I did see a couple of thumbnails of people I follow who unboxed their boxes, and the thumbnails looked like they liked their boxes. So hopefully this is a good unboxing, but I guess we're about to find out. Oh, another thing is, I know that you can choose an item in your box, but they only do it online nowadays, and I always forget to go on the website and make my choice. They used to send out an email. They don't do that anymore, so I have no idea what's in here. I'm hoping that I remember to go on the website to pick my pick for the month of May, but I guess we'll see. So let's open her up. Look, we have a card this time. Oh my gosh, I'm trying not to look at the products because I know that you can kind of see them. So we have cards this time. There were no cards last time, and I also didn't get an email explaining what anything was. So it looks like we have an explanation of all of the items inside of that card, so we'll put that away. And then this is, oh, okay. I think that this is a spoiler for something that's in the box. All right, so we're gonna do this grab bag style. I'm gonna reach in, pull something out. I feel something flat on top. There's multiple things, but they all feel like the same thing. Oh, sheet masks. Okay, I love sheet masks. So there are 3 sheet masks, I think. Yes, it looks like there's only the 3 of them. These are by Tony Moly, I think. I don't know if Tony Moly's cruelty free, but because these are only single use, I'll probably just use them. Let's see, so we have one that is for calming, I assume calming the skin. I'm hemp mask sheet. It looks like these are in Korean. So Korean text on here, so I don't know what any of this says. And then this one is for purifying. I'm cactus, okay. And then illuminating, so I'm lotus. All right, I love using sheet masks. I don't use them that often because they are, you know, one-use disposable, but I do like to use them occasionally. So that's exciting. That's a good product. All right, moving on. We have a flat, all right, Benefit, not cruelty free. I will be selling this on Poshmark, so if you're interested, I will leave my Poshmark down below. I know that I used to like this. It was fine. I don't find the primers work that great for my skin, but this one was fine, and I know that this is a staple for a lot of people, so if you're interested, go check out my Poshmark. That is a good product, except that it's from a non-cruelty free brand. So let's see what's next. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, okay. We have a product by Iconic London. It is one of their illuminators. This is a liquid highlight product. It does look a little dark. Maybe not though. So I put a drop right here on my skin. Ooh, okay, yeah, no. That I think will work pretty well. Oh, I'm actually really excited about this. Okay, so I've been really into cream products recently, and I do not have a cream highlight. So I am pretty excited to have this product right here. So this is again the Iconic London Illuminator in, is the shade Original? Maybe? Oh, shake well before use. I don't remember if I did that or not. Probably not. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I have no idea. Ooh, I don't know if Iconic London is cruelty free either, so I'll have to check that out. Next. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, yes. Oh, exciting. Okay, this is a Dose of Color product. This is the Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. I know Dose of Colors is cruelty free, and I really like the brand, so I'm excited. This looks like a color that I'll like. This is in the shade Lava Cake. Ooh, this is, okay. I've unboxed 4 products and I'm actually pretty pleased with them. Ooh, look at the packaging on this. I love the rose gold. Ooh, this just feels so luxurious. It's really heavy too. Oh yes, this is right up my alley. Look at how beautiful that shade is. Oh my gosh. This is probably so far my favorite item that I've unboxed. Oh, that's beautiful. I haven't really heard much about the, oh, you know what? The only thing that I can see being an issue is you're gonna have to be really careful when recapping it or you're going to destroy the bullet. But oh well, I'll just be careful. I think I only have 1 product left. It feels flat, which means it is probably a palette of some sort. I'm so glad I didn't cancel last month. I really hope the shades in this are good. Okay, so for a long time, I have been wanting to try this brand right here. This is the brand Zoeva. I'm so excited. I know that they came to Ulta recently, well, within I think the last year or so. I think that they're only online and I've never picked anything up from them, but they've been on my want to try list for a very long time. And now I have a palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Yes. I mean, I haven't heard from people that they're like at the end all be all of eyeshadows, but they've just been a brand that I've been really, really drawn to. So this is the Zoeva Cafe palette. I'm assuming it's probably a very neutral palette, but that's fine. Ooh. Yup, 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 yup. Look at those. Oh my gosh. All right, so here are all of the shades. Very, I mean, definitely neutral. We do have some pops of color in here. So we have No Added Spice, which is the green right there. And then Shine Bright kind of has a green tinge to it. It's this shade in the corner. Oh yeah, I am so excited to finally try one of these palettes. And this looks like a really easy palette to use, so that's exciting. Oh, yes, okay. Wow, very pleased. Now let's check out the card. What did I do with it? Now we have the card, which is gonna tell us a little bit more about all of the products and also give us the prices. So first we have the Professional, which I don't really want this just because I've used it. It was fine, but not a favorite, and it's not cruelty free. This is $32. So definitely not a bad product. And then next we have the palette, the Zoeva palette. This is $28, sounds about right. And then we have the Iconic London Illuminator. This is $41. So the most expensive thing. I definitely was not expecting that. Well, that's cool. And then next we have the Dose of Color Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. This is $17. And then we have the 3 sheet masks, and it says $9, but I'm not sure if that's $9 for each mask or if the 3 of them are $9, but $9. Okay, wow, this is a huge improvement on last month's box. I don't like hate anything that came in here. Let me look real fast if I can get a quick answer on the cruelty-free status of the other things. The only 2 that I know are cruelty-free are Dose of Colors and Zoeva. So the other 2, Tony Moly and Iconic London, I need to check. Okay, so Iconic London is on Logical Harmony's gray list, so they're not confirmed one way or another, so just heads up about them. And then Tony Moly, unfortunately, is not cruelty free. I'll go ahead and use these up, but you know, I'm not gonna talk further about them on my channel. So that's kind of unfortunate. We have 2 definitely not cruelty-free items, 1 gray and then 2 cruelty-free. So I guess that's not the absolute worst thing. In terms of the actual products, I really, really like everything that they included. This is a huge winner. Also a huge winner. The masks are nice. I like sheet masks. The illuminator is pretty nice, and then this in and of itself is not a bad product. I just don't want it. So I will be passing that one along. But overall, I'm very pleased with this month's box. If you also received BoxyCharm, let me know what you got in your boxes. Did you get different things than I did? Were you pleased or not pleased with your April box? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll definitely stay subscribed for a little while longer at least. But like I mentioned earlier, I did cancel my Boxy Lux just because I did not find it worth it the 2 times that I did get it, and for an additional $25. I just thought that money could be better spent elsewhere, but I definitely think I got my $25 out of this box, at the very least in these two products, which are the two cruelty-free products. So that is pretty exciting. If you like unboxings, consider subscribing, and if you liked this unboxing, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.